Hi guys, so I'm back with another little package that I've been sent, and I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Actually, it's not a little package, it's bigger than I expected. There's no name on it, but it's from Parks, so I'm pretty sure that's from Karen Munro because I know that's where she lives. And I'm pretty sure the envelope's a bit beaten up. Oh, practically open. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Yes, it is. Oh, she sent some little extras. Karen, she's on the Junk Journals Down Under Facebook group. Let me zoom you down, sorry. Excuse my mess. She's on the Junk Journal Down Under Facebook group, and she so generously sent all the girls some old book pages, because I'm not sure where she got them from, but she came across a whole bunch of old book pages. Oh, and she just sent everyone a whole bunch of them for nothing, and I thought that was so kind and generous of her to share her big stash. I didn't really need any, so I just told her I do know someone else that loves old book pages, and I thought I could send some to them. But look, there's some beautiful old pictures in here as well. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a little snake. But yeah, they're pretty old and they're really brittle. And all the discoloration. I love them. Thank you so much, Karen. It was so lovely of you to send everyone some. Like, it was so generous and kind. And that's how I found everyone in that group. Like, if you're in Australia, yeah, go join that group. It's the best group. I was always so anti-Facebook. All these years I resisted, and I only just joined it this year when I opened my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm still not a big Facebook fan as such, because I feel people put way too much of their lives out there. But I do love the groups, and you know, for me, you'll see I don't post really on my personal page. I'm not sure that anyone is interested that much in where I am and what I'm doing, but I do love the groups, and the two that I post in is the Junk Journal Down Under Facebook group and the Trashy and Flowish Facebook group. That's the one that's run by Rosemary Morris, and they're my favorite groups. But yeah, everyone's so generous and kind, and it's like, especially as the Australian group, I think because it's small and everyone gets to know each other. Look at this, isn't that beautiful? Billabong's daughter. I really love the old pictures in these books. Thank you so much. And look at these, she popped these in as well. These are little. I don't know if you can see the size, but they're the size of your hand. Well, I got big man hands, but look how gorgeous they are. They're little songbooks. Boomerang Songster. These are pretty old. Well, I know it's at least pre-1966 just because of the price, because we went from imperial to metric then. But they look even older than that. I'm not sure the year. I can't see it and I'm too blind. It's probably there somewhere, but they're really aged and yellow. Look at that. So gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Karen. They're so gorgeous. See, I have trouble pulling old stuff like this apart because they're so gorgeous and beautiful. Look at the back. Albert's Hillbilly Albums, numbers 1, 2, and 3. Hillbilly Songsters, numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's awesome. Thank you. Anyway, Karen does have a Facebook group, a YouTube channel, and it's fairly new, but I'll put the link in the description box below. You might have seen it already. I mentioned her previously. She sent me a happy mail, and yeah, I talked about an Oriental journal she had made, and since then she's also done an Alice in Wonderland journal. Really, she does really beautiful work. She's really talented, and her journals, she's one of those people that put so many hours into a journal. Everything's handmade. All of her embellishments, she hand makes everything herself, and she does hand painting and everything. The most beautiful, amazing work she does. But yeah, check out her channel. And thank you, Karen. That was so lovely of you to send, and thank you for the nice little surprise. I love these. They're so gorgeous. And for including some pictures. Really beautiful. Look at this. Krista, you would like that. Horse back across the stream. So pretty. Oh, I love them. Okay, anyway, thank you. And yeah, check out her channel. Thanks. Bye.